Good morning, students. Welcome to the class. Dear students, in the last class we already discussed about the sixth unit of the lesson and revision, and already I informed you about the SAT examination syllabus and your health issues. Okay, and we revision unit number 6, a letter to a daughter. Okay, today in this class we discussing about the unit number 6, unit number 7. Who is the best? Who is the best? Okay, so take your textbook, open the textbook, page number 55. Page number 55. The lesson name: Who is the best? Who is the best? Okay. Who the best? Okay. Who is the best? The lesson number, unit number 7. Who is the best? Who is the best? Okay. See, students, let us read the lesson. After that, now see new words are there. Once upon a time in a kingdom. Once upon a time in kingdom. Far away in Arabia, there is a kingdom. There lived an old king. There lived an old king. Arabia anta ದೂರದ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬ ರಾಜವಾಸವಾಗಿದ್ದ. He had a beautiful daughter. He had a beautiful daughter called Jasmine. Means his daughter name is Jasmine. Arabian kingdom. Arabian kingdom. Kingdom. A daughter name Jasmine. Daughter name Jasmine. Daughter name Jasmine. The king and the princess were full of love for their people. The king and the princess were full of love for their people. ರಾಜ ಮತ್ತು ರಾಜನ ಮಗಳಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ ಯುವರಾಣಿ, ಅವರು ಆ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ದೇಶದ ಸಾಮ್ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಜನರನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಖುಷಿಯಿಂದ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಅವರು ನೋಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಸೊ king and his princess were full of love for their people. The king had no sons, and the king had no sons, so he decided to give his kingdom to the person who would marry his daughter. ಯಾರು ತನ್ನ ಮಗಳನ್ನು ಮದುವೆ ಆಗ್ತಾರೋ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಆಸ್ಥಾನವನ್ನು ಕೊಡಬೇಕಂತೆ ಬಯಸಿದ್ದ. He is kingdom to person who would marry his daughter. Many princes wanted to marry the princess. Many princes wanted to marry the princess, but the king wanted a suitable match for his daughter and enable prince to protect their people. Protect his people. Many princes wanted to marry the princess, but the king wanted a suitable match for his daughter and enable prince to protect his people. Suitable. suitable man for his daughter and also protect his people. So he decided to test them from among the princes who proposed. He selected three namely Prince Faris, Prince Anush, and Prince Jishan. Okay. Prince Faris, Prince Anush, Prince Jishan. Okay, Prince Jishan. He told them, what he told? Listen, he told them, I shall give you all a month time. Should give a month time. A month time. All a month time. Whoever brings the best gift for my daughter, whoever brings the best gift for my daughter shall marry her. ಯಾರ ಮಗಳಿಗೆ ಅತ್ಯುಕೃಷ್ಟವಾದ ವಿಶೇಷ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಯಾರಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಯಾರು ಅಂತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಮಗಳನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಮದುವೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ರಾಜ ಹೇಳಿದ. But the gift should be good for my kingdom too. Listen, the gift should be good for my kingdom. All the three princes went their way to bring the best gift for Princess Jasmine. All the three princes went their way to bring the best gift for Princess Jasmine. All the three princes went their way to bring the best gift for Princess Jasmine. After a month, all the three returned to the king's palace. The king and the princess were curious to see the gifts. Everyone was interested to know who their king would be. After a month, all the three returned to the king's palace. The king and the princess were curious. Curious means, curious. Curious means eager to know. Curious to see the gifts. Everyone was interested to know who their king would be. Prince Faris stood up and showed diamonds and rubies. He said, Prince Faris stood up and showed diamonds and rubies. Diamonds and rubies. Rubies. Okay. Diamonds and rubies. He said, I have brought these precious stones for princess. Precious means valuable. Precious means valuable. Valuable. Okay. Then precious stones for Princess Jasmine. I have brought these precious stones for Princess Jasmine. A king had them with him. I fought with him, killed him, and brought these diamonds and rubies. A king had them with him. I fought with him, killed him, and brought these diamonds and rubies. ಈ ಡೈಮಂಡ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಒಬ್ಬ ರಾಜನ ಹತ್ರ ಇತ್ತು. ರಾಜ ಬಂದಿದ್ದ, ಅವನನ್ನು ಕೊಂದು ಇವುಗಳನ್ನು ತೋರ್ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಯಾರು ಫಾರೀಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸ್ ಅನುಷ್ got up and showed a gun. Prince Anush got up and showed a gun. And he said, Prince Anush fires diamonds. Anush's gun was nothing. Okay. Prince Anush got up and showed a gun and he said, I have brought a gun to protect ourselves from our enemies. This gun can kill many people from a distance. From a distance. Protect means save or to keep safe. This gun can kill many people from a distance. Now it was Prince Jason's turn. He had brought nothing. Brought nothing. He bowed to the king and said, I could not bring anything for the princess. As I was busy the whole month. What made you so busy? Asked the king. The prince replied politely. Speak decently. Speak decently. Okay. Politely, my lord, there is a village in our neighboring kingdom. There is a village in our neighboring kingdom. Some thieves entered it and took away the cows and corn of the villagers. I attacked the thieves and returned the cows and corn to the villagers. Then I handed over the thieves to the king and requested him to protect his people. See, listen, what he done? Some thieves entered it and took away the cows and corn of the villagers. I attacked the thieves and returned the cows and corn to the villagers. Then I handed over the thieves to the king and requested him to protect his people. The king said, the first prince thinks only about wealth. The first prince thinks only about wealth. the second one wants to protect himself, but the third one is brave and kind too. First one, got wealth, himself. Himself, brave and kind. And kind. Brave and kind. Okay. The king said, the first prince thinks only about wealth. The first prince thinks Paris. The second one wants to protect himself. Anush wants to protect himself. But the third one, brave and kind too. He can protect my kingdom and people. So he shall marry my daughter and rule my kingdom. He shall marry my daughter and rule my kingdom. The decision should be marry my daughter. Then all the people in the Paris were very happy. All the people in the Paris were very happy with the king's decision. Long live the king, long live the prince decision. They all cheered. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ದೋಷೆ ಕೂಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ರಾಜನಿಗೆ ಜಯವಾಗಲಿ, ಅವನಿಗೆ ದೀರ್ಘಾಯುಷ್ಮಾನವಾಗಿ ಅವನು ಇರಲಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ, ಜೀವಿಸಲಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಹರ್ಷೋದ್ಗಾರವನ್ನು ಕೂಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. Okay, students. Now the 50 page number 58 question answers. Put a tick mark on a correct answer. See, there is a answers are there. First one. First question. The name of the princess was Yasmin or Jasmine? Yes, Jasmine. Jasmine. Second, the king gave a test to the princess. 2 or 3? 3. Then the princess had to bring a gift within a week or within a month, within a year. Month. Then the king chose Prince Jishan to marry his daughter. Jishan to marry his daughter. Next one, write true or false for the following statements. Here is statements are there. First one, the king loved his people. Is it true or false? Second question. First one, second one, third one, fourth one. Okay. The king loved his people. Is it true? Then Prince Faris brought a gun as a gift. No. Prince Anush brought a gun. So it is false. Then Prince Jishan fought with the thieves. Yes, is correct. So it is true. Next, Prince Anush did not bring any gift for the princess. Prince Anush did not bring any gift for the princess. No, it is wrong. So it is false. Okay. the next one, complete the following sentences. Complete the following sentences. The king had a beautiful daughter. The king had a beautiful daughter. Third one, the king had a beautiful daughter. Beautiful daughter. Then he decided to give away his kingdom because he had no sons. He had no sons. He had no sons. Then third one, he wanted to test which prince would match for the princess. He wanted to test which prince would match for princess. Or princess. Now fourth one, the names of the princess selected by the king were Haris, Anush, Jishan. Haris, Anush, Jishan. The princess had to bring the gift. The gift. In the gift. Okay. These are the answers for that. Complete the following sentences. Okay. Now it's over. Now answer the questions. Answer the following questions. What did the king ask the princess to do? What did the princess ask the princess to do? Bring the best gift. The prince asked to the princess, bring the best gift for my daughter, and gift should be good for my kingdom. The king asked. And then what did Prince Haris bring for the princess? Haris brings the diamonds and rubies. What did Prince Anush bring? Prince Anush bring a gun. What did the thieves take away from the village? The thieves take away. The thieves take away cows and corns from the village. Now next one, why did the king give his daughter in marriage to Prince Jishan? The reason is the king thought about that the only Prince Jishan is a brave and kind. Also he will protect the people and kingdom. Now use the following words in sentences of your own. Here is the words are gift, beautiful, curious, protect, usually. Okay. Question. Gift, beautiful, curious, first, curious, protect, one, busy. See, first one, gift. I brought a gift for my friend. I brought a gift for my friend. Beautiful. Gardens flowers are beautiful. In the garden, flowers are beautiful in the garden. Next, curious. I have too much curious about that. Next, I will protect you. I will protect you. I am busy with my work. I am busy with my work. Next, fill in the blanks. Blanks with the correct word. We say one king, but many kings. We say one prince, but many princes. We say one princess, but many princesses. We say one cow, but many cows. We say one thief, but many thieves. We say one deer, but many deers. We say one sheep, but many sheep. Now fill in the blanks with the a, and, or, the. Use the articles. Okay. Once there was an old king. Next, dash the king had a beautiful daughter. Third one, many princes wanted to marry the princess. Next, each prince had to bring the gift for the princess. Okay. Now they were given a month's time. Sixth one, everybody was curious to see the gifts brought by the princess finally. Next, seventh one, the king selected an able prince. Now the big question, pick out at least 3 words for each column from the lesson which are followed by a, and, or, the right, and write in the correct box below. Here already they given a village. Next, our answers: a man, a gun, a suitable. Next, an able, an old king. Next, the gate, the princess. Okay. Now match the words in a column A with column B. With column B. Here, column A, father. From column B, mother. King, queen, father, mother. Prince, princess. Son, daughter. Uncle, aunt. Brother, sister. Nephew, niece. Okay. Okay, students. Now it's over. Tomorrow we will continue the lesson. Next lesson will discuss the Know Your Nation, the 8th lesson, the revision part. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Bye.